Welcome to Sure Success, and in today's video we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from the chapter 2 Stories About Flying. This is the third chapter from the book English. Okay, without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. The first question is, who is the author of His First Flight? Options are Liam O'Flaherty, Frederick Forsyth, Roald Dahl, Paulo Coelho, and the correct answer is Liam O'Flaherty. Okay, who is the author of Black Aeroplane? Options are Liam O'Flaherty, Frederick Forsyth, Roald Dahl, Paulo Coelho, and the correct answer is Frederick Forsyth. Okay, author of Black Aeroplane is Frederick Forsyth. Okay, the lesson Its First Flight is about options are the pilot, seagull, parrot, pigeon, and the correct answer is seagull. The lesson His First Flight is about a seagull. Okay, why was he afraid to fly? Options are he was a coward, he was afraid his wings would not support him, he was afraid that everyone would judge him, both 1 and 2, and the correct answer is both 1 and 2. He was a coward and he was afraid his wings will not support him. Okay, what did his parents threaten him with if he didn't flew away? Options are to never talk to him, to punish him, to starve him, to abandon him, and the correct answer is to starve him. Okay, what were his parents teaching his brother and sister? Options are to perfect the art of flying, to skim the waves, to dive for fish, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. His parents were teaching his brother and sister to perfect the art of flying, to skim the waves, to dive for fish, all of these. Okay, the sight of death maddened him. Options are his brothers flying, his siblings enjoying without him, food, all of the above. And the correct answer is food. The sight of food maddened him. Okay, what urged him to make his first flight? Options are hunger, sight of fish, courage, both 1 and 2. And the correct answer is both 1 and 2. That means hunger and sight of fish urged him to make his first flight. Okay, why did his mother stop midway while giving him the fish? Options are she was mad at him, to push him to fly out of hunger, she didn't want to give him the fish, she got tired. And the correct answer is to push him to fly out of hunger. Okay, the title Black Aeroplane is based on, options are the aeroplane that helped the pilot, the pilot's aeroplane, aeroplane in the stormy sky, none of the above. And the correct answer is the aeroplane that helped the pilot. Okay, the pilot was flying from dash to dash. Options are England, France, England, India, France, England, France, India, and the correct answer is France and England. The pilot was flying from France to England. Okay, what was the pilot looking forward to? Options are to reach his destination, to meet his family, his holiday, both 2 and 3. And the correct answer is both 2 and 3. Pilot was looking forward to meet his family and for his holiday. Okay, which control station did he contact on his way? Options are Paris, India, England. He didn't contact any, and the correct answer is Paris. Okay, they looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. What looked like black mountains? Options are black mountains, storm clouds, tall buildings, black plateau. And the correct answer is storm clouds. They looked like black mountains. Okay, what risk did the pilot take? Options are flying back to Paris, missing the breakfast he desired. He took no risk, flying his old Dakota straight into the storm. And the correct answer is flying his old Dakota straight into the storm. This was the risk that the pilot took. Okay, what instruments had stopped working during the storm? Options are compass, radio, both of them, none of them. And the correct answer is both of them stopped working during the storm. That means compass and radio was fully disabled. Okay, what was the pilot not sorry about? Options are missing his holiday, diving the plane into storm, risking the lives of fellow passenger, boat 2 and 3. And the correct answer is boat 2 and 3. Pilot was not sorry about diving the plane into the storm and risking the lives of fellow passengers. Okay, what did the seagull pretend was happening to him so that he could take his first flight? Options are he was unconscious, he was falling down the cliff, he was falling asleep, he lost his balance. And the correct answer is he was falling asleep. What food did the seagull's mother get for it? Options are earthworms, fish, insects, rodents. And the correct answer is fish. Fish was given by the seagull's mother for them. Okay. How far was the narrator from Paris when he saw dark clouds in the sky? Options are 200 km, 100 km, 50 km, 150 km. And the correct answer is 150 km. He was on the distance of 150 km when he saw dark clouds in the sky. Okay. Which of the pilot's instruments stopped working first? Options are compass, radio, both stopped together, both were working. And the correct answer is compass. Compass was the first instrument that stopped working. Okay. When the pilot of the black aeroplane asked the narrator to follow him, in which direction did he turn the aeroplane? Options are south, north, east, west. And the correct answer is north. Okay. Why didn't the pilot turn the aeroplane back toward Paris? Options are he wanted to meet his family, he wanted to go on a holiday, he did not want to miss the breakfast, he did not like Paris. And the correct answer is he did not want to miss the breakfast. Okay. What was the name of aeroplane that the pilot was flying? Options are Airbus, Boeing, Dakota, Minnesota. And the correct answer is Dakota. Dakota was the aeroplane that the pilot was flying. Okay. The pilot was not able to taste anything. Options are see, hear, speak, all of them. And the correct answer is C. Pilot was not able to see anything. ओके बाय दिस वी कम टू एन एंड ऑफ द वीडियो। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोगों को वीडियो समझ में आ गया होगा और अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर कर दीजिए और अगर चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन पर प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपडेट्स आप तक सबसे पहले पहुँचे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।